Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make ice candy using soft serve ice cream. First, gather your soft serve ice cream, which can be store-bought or homemade, along with your chosen molds or plastic bags. Make sure your molds are clean and dry. You'll also need a funnel or a piping bag to help fill the molds neatly. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy process from start to finish, setting you up for delicious results. Now, let's move on to filling. Using a funnel or piping bag, carefully dispense the soft serve into your molds or plastic bags. Remember to leave about 1/4 of an inch of space at the top of each, as the mixture will expand slightly when frozen. Once filled, securely seal each ice candy. If using bags, tie a tight knot. For molds, ensure the lids are firmly in place to prevent any spills. After filling and sealing, it's time for the most important step: freezing. Place your ice candies in the coldest part of your freezer. They typically need at least 4 to 6 hours to become completely solid. For the best, firmest texture, I recommend freezing them overnight. This ensures they are perfectly set and ready to enjoy, offering that delightful, refreshing treat you're looking forward to. Finally, your homemade soft serve ice candy is ready to be enjoyed. Simply remove them from their molds or bags and savor the creamy, icy goodness. Don't be afraid to get creative with different soft serve flavors or even add small mix-ins before freezing. For more great tips and other deals, be sure to check the description below this video. It's a fantastic way to cool down and enjoy a personalized treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.